Now let's begin loosening our joints. Standing in a comfortable position with a straight spine, feet slightly apart, and chin level with the ground. Bring your hands together and rotate your wrists, first a few times one way and then a few times the other way. Moving on now to the ankles. If you can balance on one leg, do so, or put your hand on a chair or table to help you balance while you rotate your ankle first one way and then the other way. Bending slightly at the knees, we're going to rotate 3 times one way, 3 times the other way, whatever position is comfortable for you. Working the elbows now, as much as is comfortable for you to stretch out and all the way around. You rotate a few times forward and then backwards. Spreading your legs a little bit further and wider apart now, we're working with the shoulders. So if you can rotate your arm all the way up and around, do so, following your arm with your eyes. But if you can only go a certain way, then you go as far as you can. So first 3 times backwards and then 3 times forwards, using the breath as you rotate in the upward direction. So breathing in as you go up, out as you go down. Breathe in and out. Scoop the air up and around and back. And then reverse the rotation. Breathing in and now out. Breathing in and up, out and down, and once more. Okay, we're going to do a neck rotation now, very gently, just forward roll. So again, using the breath, breathing in as you look over the shoulder, down as you roll down, and breathing in as you come up to the other side. Exhale as you roll down. Inhale as you roll up, and exhale as you roll down, taking the chin to the chest, inhaling up, and then bringing your head back to center. Let's not forget about the jaw, big joint there. So just move your jaw a few times one way and then the other way before we move into our kidney slap. The feet are a little bit wider apart. And we're leaning into one knee and rotating completely round. So the body's very relaxed and fluid. Your hands, wrists are slapping around the waist, and the neck is rotating in the direction that the waist is moving. When you're comfortable with that, close your eyes and go at your own rhythm, using the breath. Breathing into the one side and out as you come back round. Bringing yourself now to stationary position so that you're feeling your midline and you're equally balanced left to right. Let's work the joints in our fingers, massaging and gently pulling each finger. So you're not pulling the knuckles out, it's more of a gentle massage around the knuckles, and you're getting all those beautiful acupressure points that are there on the fingertips at the same time. And of course we have just as many on our toes. So taking a few moments just to rub from the bottom of the toe all the way up to the top, massaging it. Again, not pulling it. It's more of a rub. All of our, or at least many of our meridians begin and end in the feet and the hands. So we're getting such a all-round benefit to organs and stimulating the energy flow in the body. End by lying on your back with your feet apart, hands by your side, palms facing up. Make sure your neck is straight. This is a very rejuvenating posture. Wonderful to do in the middle of the day when you're feeling tired or towards the end of the afternoon and you need a little pick-me-up, just for approximately 90 seconds to lie with your spine completely flat and straight. So not on a bed, on a nice firm surface. And it just helps the central nervous system to relax, all the organs to realign themselves, brain hemispheres to calm and connect most effectively. And then when you are done, just to take a few long, slow, deep inhalations and exhalations before slowly bringing yourself to a seated position, taking your time, noticing what's talking to you in your body. And then go and nourish those joints now with a lovely cup of water. But remember, water is amazing for the joints. Keep moving those joints and it will serve you well, not only physically, but in your mind-body connection too.